It is hot. Hot in this motherfucker right now. Hey, like, what was that? Did you just turn British for a second? So today I am back. I am here. Look at this new piercing. How do we feel about her? Or him? Or it? I have had a long ass day. I literally been up since 4 a.m. in the morning, and it is... I don't have a watch. I think it's 4 o'clock, so it's been quite a while that I've been up.
Where am I going with this?
Anyways, I have had a day. So I just thought, you know, why not treat yourself in the middle of the day and just give yourself a little
tiny itsy bitsy facial.
My face has actually been doing really well. I've been taking very good care of it, but you know, you gotta maintain it. Gotta, you know, go the extra mile once in a while, just once a week, and just spoil yourself. So today I am going to be using these little pore suckers to get all like the little blackheads out of my nose. Since I have a piercing right here, I noticed that I've been getting a lot of little white heads and a lot of little like buildup right here. So I'm gonna see if I can get it out without hurting my piercing. So far it's a little bit healed. You guys don't really care. You guys didn't click on this video to hear me rant how YouTubers rant about. There's 5 little heads in here. I'm not going to go over each and every one, but the one I'm going to be using today is this one. The reason why I like this one is because it has like kind of like a little safeguard right here, so it doesn't suck your skin as hard. It doesn't really bruise your skin either. I don't know, something about this little rubber tip right here. And inside of the box you get these little sponges. Like, I was like, what the hell are these little sponges for? They actually go inside of this little hole right here, so you don't get any buildup that goes inside. So you just put it in there, shove it in there, and then you just pop this little guy right on top. Now, the reason why a lot of people get, you know, that was so fucking rude. Don't ever interrupt me again. Are you the star? I don't think so. So the reason why a lot of people get like kind of bruising on their cheek is because, number one, they're not going fast enough. I would think so, because you kind of don't want to just leave it on there. You kind of just want to drag it across. And number 2 is their face isn't wet, because if you're dragging against this dry skin, it's going to have some tugging. You are going to have some redness and bruising. So what I'm going to do is steam my face. This is a fabric steamer. It's not a face steamer. Marshalls, you did me dirty again. Just go ahead and steam your face. Try not to get too close to your face when you're steaming. You just want to open up the pores so you can get ready for the little suction thing. Better not start squirting on me, I swear. So now that my face is nice and you see kind of moisturized, just go in with an extra little some on top of it. Go ahead and go in with this little hydrate thing right here, just to give it an extra little moisturizing, so my skin doesn't get tugged on or anything like that. Oh, hey little fella. So this is what I'm gonna do, just gonna press it. It has 3 different suctions, so I'm just gonna put it on the first one. I don't wanna get bruising. Hey, oh my God, I'm nervous. Because I bruise very, very easily and I'm not trying to get bruised. See, look, I'm already getting red. Now, some sensitive areas that you probably don't want to go over are the side of your face right here. This layer of skin is just so thin that you might get bruising right there. So I would try to avoid using that area. Try to just go with your T-zone right here. See, you are going to get a little bit of redness. Try to pull the skin a little bit so it can just glide over easily. There we go. Let's see, try to go around my nose ring too. Oh, gross. There's nothing. What is, ew, is that my junk? I'm gonna just talk to you guys as I'm doing this. There's different heads. Some of them are for extracting blackheads, which is the one I'm using right now. The little flat one, I believe, is, you can do it under your eyes, but just be very, very careful and try to go really, really fast, just because you don't want to get that bruising, like I said. The one for under your eyes is to boost up the collagen or get the collagen going. That way you won't, kind of prevents wrinkles. And then there's like a little massager one that looks like, let me show you. Like this one that I'm actually going to use at the end. This one is for the red light and blue light. Now what the red light does is it kills any leftover bacteria. Or is it the blue light? One of them, the red or the blue one kills the bacteria, and the other one closes up the pores. I don't know if you guys can see in there, but look at all that junk. See, now the reason why you want to moisturize your face is because the moisture and the suction do kind of combo together, so it sucks it out. Like, kind of like gives it like a surface to suck everything out. To suck out all the dirt from inside of my pores and stuff like that. And I do feel my face feel a little bit different. I feel a lot more fresh. I feel a lot more less congested on my face. That's what it looks like. I sucked the shit out of it. It doesn't look too bad. I think I did a pretty decent job. Not too much redness. So next I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the mask. Is the charcoal mask from Sephora. My phone literally has been dry all day, and the one time that I'm filming, it wants to go off. What the fuck? That's a tongue twister. Perfector Pores Pore Minimizer. So it's a little charcoal mask. I like charcoal masks. They are really cool. I feel like they do dry out the skin sometimes, but depends. Hopefully this one doesn't dry my skin out too much. I talk way too fucking much. Like, shut the fuck up and put the mask on. Nobody clicked on your fucking videos to hear about your damn fucking life. Just put the mask on and shut the hell up. Alright guys, so this one says to leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Let's see. 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna leave it on for about 15 minutes. And then after I'm gonna take it. Obviously you're gonna take it off after 15 minutes, you dumbass. Like, nobody needs to know that. Everybody knows that you take a mask off after it's the time that it's, oh God, sometimes I just wanna fucking throw me in a blender. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. Go grab a snack or something. It's gonna be a long break. No, it's not. I'm literally gonna be back like any minute.
Feeling like a stripper when I'm looking in the mirror. I'll be slapping on that ass, getting thicker and thicker.
Alright guys, so it has been 15 long decades. I really freaking like this mask. Like, I'm not a big fan of the charcoal mask, but this one, for some reason, like, it gets my face feeling a little tingle-tings. Look at that. Are you kidding me? That's how it would be if that's how it would be if I was in a brand deal. Like, I would milk the shit out of everything. Like, you guys have to get this. It is better than meth. It is better than sex. Alrighty guys, so now that the mask is off, I'm gonna go back in with my little guy, but I'm going in, my little guy, Adam and Eve, I can sponsor you too, with the blue light. Now what the blue light is supposed to do is supposed to go back into your pores and just kill any excess bacteria that's in there. So you just kind of like gently just go in there. My face is still kind of moisturized. So I'll just finish this. Now this kind of kills two birds with one stone. I'm moisturizing the rest of the residue from the mask. This looks like freaking chon-chons. So you're gonna go in with the blue light, just kind of just in all the places you kind of use the little suction thing, or just anywhere in general that you feel you want some closure with your pores, because it didn't work out with you guys, so you just need a little bit of closure. What the fuck are you talking about? You guys ever like sometimes just talk to yourself? Sometimes I just sit in my room in the corner and I'm just talking, like, that's normal, right? Little guy, kind of push that little. That looks like a butt cheek. Are you kidding me? That looks like a fucking dinner roll. I seriously need to lose weight. So I'm gonna go in with the red light now. Now the red light is supposed to just go back in and close your pores a little bit. Just kind of minimize the pores, I guess. Just gonna go back in. Or is it the red one kills the bacteria? I don't know, one of them. Either way, I'm doing both. So how's your day? I have sucked the pores out of my face. I have put a mask on. You guys know it's my favorite part to do is moisturize. Remember guys, if you don't moisturize, you're not living. I think Aeropostale did say that. Going with Dr. Genis. I love this moisturizer. One of my friends gave me this little moisturizer and it works good because it is an oil-free moisture cushion. Like, are you kidding me? This thing is amazing. I have been using it for like the past month and I've really noticed my skin's difference. I've really noticed a difference in my skin, so just kind of put it on. Right there. Don't forget the neck too. I didn't even suck the shit out of my neck. I should have went down on my neck too. I should have went down on my neck. Go in the little 3 zone. Oh my god, my skin feels amazing. Oh my god. I haven't even touched my skin until right now. So just kind of put it on. What the hell? It feels like the same. Softer, and it feels like there's no roughness to it. Like, it just feels very smooth. What the hell? All right, little pore sucker, I see you. I see you coming from my brand. I don't make sense half the time. So if you guys want to hit the unsubscribe button right there, this moisturizer here is giving my favorite moisturizer right here a run for his money. Honestly, they're two different things. This is kind of like an anti-aging one. Actually, you know what? I feel like it was looking at me like, hello, is it me you're looking for? Alrighty guys, so last thing, you want to make sure you don't get in little under-eye bags. You don't want to carry any luggage. You don't want to go to the airport and have to pay extra for these baggage. So I'm going to go in with It's Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. And that is just the final touch right there. We want to make sure our skin is looking popping, our skin is looking fresh. I feel like I'm ready to take on the rest of my week. What the fuck? Alrighty guys, so that is the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something. Was I really teaching you guys? Like, did you guys take away anything from this? I highly recommend you guys get one of these little sucker suck things for your pores so you can release all the sins that you committed over the weekend. I'll leave a link down below where I got mine. I want to say mine was, it wasn't that expensive. It was only like $2,000. Leave a link down below so you guys can go cop yourself one. I highly recommend you get one. This one had really good reviews. It had like literally a 1.5 rating, and I was just like sold. Get yourself a steamer too. I use a fabric steamer. Don't go out there and buy these little expensive $500 steamers when you can just go to Marshall's and get yourself a fabric steamer, iron your clothes, and steam your face. Sounds like a steal. And until next time, guys, as always. Until next time, as always, stay kind, stay humble, and I love you guys.